you know what time it is. It is time for my Ipsy review. I'm about to tell you if I like the products that I got or if they didn't work for me, and we'll just talk shit about them. If you want to see the Ipsy review, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video again, guys. We are outside again. It's actually the same day, and I've actually done 2 videos in one day, so yes, I do have the same clothes on. I haven't even moved on our second video. So guys, today you know what it is. We are doing our Ipsy review. You know I got 6 items. I did pick up an extra item with my Ipsy points. So I'm about to tell you what I liked, what didn't work for me. Dot has decided to join us, and I am a troublemaker. I have a feeling he's going to be with us through the video because he loves Ipsy, just I think. Guys, we just had a little incident because my cameraman, well, you ought to see my tripod. I ain't going to show you my tripod. We're going to make fun of me. Extra item that I got with my Ipsy points was the Pure Hills by Nature Village, the Propolis 80 cream. I butchered the hell out of that, guy. The only reason that I got this cream is because it says it was really good to use as a primer, as a base for underneath your makeup, and that is what I have been using it for the last week and a half. Yeah, it's been about a week and a half. It actually does work really good as a primer, and it gives you that illuminating finish. You know, I do like my matte primers. I used this by itself for the first, we'll say about the first week, and then I started to take my matte primers to get, you know, in those pore prone areas, and then use this for the rest of my face, and it actually works really beautiful. It does give you a beautiful satin-like finish. Hey guys, so the next thing that I got was one of these NYX lipsticks. I think there was 5 or 6 of these, you know, different shades that they were giving out. I got this shade Cairo. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it is it's a really beautiful nude. Now it is a little bit of a cool tone. I don't know why I'm putting my hand against it because that's the same color. It's a very cool tone, but it is very light, and I can't use it by itself. I got to darken out my corners. I've just got to darken it up a little bit. It just gives me butthole lips. And I know y'all that love makeup, that wear it all the time, y'all know what I'm talking about. Those butthole lips that show you the wrinkles in your lip. It's just too light of a shade. Now, I usually like a nude like this, and then I'll put a gloss over top of it, but I still have to darken up the outer corners. But other than that, it's very beautiful for using on the pout. The next thing is the Air Repair Complexion Quenching Facial Mist. I got so excited about this item because I thought I could use it for a setting spray. Don't use this as a setting spray, guys. Just a facial mist. Smeared my makeup so bad. It was awful. As far as using it to refresh your face, if you're out in the sun, like I'm outside today, I don't like it, but I'm out here. Guys, I think it is fine to use as a facial mist, but dummy me, I used it for a setting spray and it smeared my makeup. So I like the item, just not for a setting spray. Next thing that I got was the Tarte Amazonian Clay. It's still Amazonian Clay, but it's Smooth Operator. This is the finishing setting powder, however you want to say it. You know, a lot of people don't like this powder, and I cannot remember the exact reason why. It's because it does leave a soft satin finish, so it's not a matte finish. It is a very, I'm not going to say a very illuminating, and it gives you that satin finish. It's not matte, but it is satin. So there is a bit of luminosity to this product, and I absolutely love it. So, like I said, a lot of people don't like it, but I'm not one. I actually love this product. Now, the next thing that I got was the Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Shadow. This is in Mermaid Teal. Now, I think they had this one and a gold or champagne one, and I did want this green one. And again, I don't know why, because I've got a few green eyeshadows from Ipsy, so I guess they think that green looks good on my eyes, guys, because they keep sending me green eyeshadows. So, you know what? Now I'm saying enough is enough. I got enough green eyeshadows, enough green singles, but I do actually love the color. It fools you. It really does. I'm just going to say that. It fools you. It is not this color. I will show you swatches. It shows up a lot lighter than this, like an olive tone. But I think it is a very beautiful shadow regardless. The wear time on it is really good. I mean, I wore it for about half the day. I'll complain about the wear time because it did actually do its job. But Ipsy, it is time to stop sending me green eyeshadows. I need a different color. Now, the next thing that I got that I forgot to bring outside with me is my blender. It is the Ipsy Glam Beauty blender. I did like it. I did. A lot of people got a problem with that sponge, but I actually did like it, and it works really well. You know, it didn't swell up to be extra big or even regular size like your regular beauty blenders. So it is small, but it worked perfectly to blend out my concealer. I used it for my foundation. It took me a little bit longer because it is so small, but it did work, and I did love it. It's really soft, and it still does its job. It blends your makeup beautifully. Another thing that I wanted to tell you about the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream that I did get. Now, I could have swore I had this shade, but I didn't have this exact shade. But a nice dupe for it I found is Broadway Colors. This is their buttery matte lip creams. Look at that. Their packaging is even the same. But they have got the same consistency. It does have that triangular applicator at the end that hugs the lips perfectly. And I do like this. And this was only $2 or $3. But it is the perfect dupe to the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. It does. I just absolutely love it. And this is so much cheaper, but I still love NYX. So I just wanted to throw that in there. I don't know why I'm duping a drugstore product. And as far as the bag, guys, I don't like it. I'm sorry, Ipsy. I don't like the bag. This is one bag. This is one of the first bags in a long time that I just don't really like. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the shade, because I do love the little post stamps on it and everything. I don't know. I just think it's the color. I'm not sure. I just don't like the bag, and I'm sorry. You know, everybody likes this bag, but I don't. But, and there is always a positive to everything. I love the other side. It's just plain orange. It says Ipsy at the bottom in yellow. I love this side of the bag. And until I got this bag, I didn't even know it had a different side. I thought it was all one. But the zipper is perfect, and I do love the material of it. But as far as this side of it, I don't like. I don't think I'll be carrying it anywhere unless I show this side when I'm carrying it and it's to the beach or something, because it would be a nice beach bag to carry your, well, I don't know what makeup you're taking to the beach, but you could put something in it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my Ipsy review, and most of all, I hope you enjoyed coming to see me. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys. And hey, Dot. Hi, Dot. Is this still on me? You turned it.
Yeah, I'm our cameraman. She works my hard.
Is it still filming me good?
Hold up.
Dot, tell everybody in YouTube land, hey. Say, hey, I'm Dot. He is a troublemaker, but I already said that. I don't even know why. You know what? Some of y'all tell me to shut up in the comments because I know. I blabber. I blabber. Okay, Dot, stay there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the 6th item. I'm about to fire my cameraman.
Hey.
Propolis? Propeller. It's a pea cream. No, it's not a pea cream. It's not. Take that back. I forgot my outro.
Bloopers.